Good day, have a word, and today you're welcome to Central Craft channel. What are we gonna be doing today? In a few minutes, we're going to be actually in this Maxi Bubu Dress, trending Maxi Bubu Dress. It's as easy as A and B and C. So don't touch that now. Yes, just get still. And in case you're not subscribed to this channel, please do and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified about our latest videos. This is as easy as A and B and C. So let's get to the cutting table for this start. Let's get having your fabric this way, you have your full fabric, whatever fabric you want to use, maybe chiffon or Ankara, just fabric that easy. You fold into two like this. Fold into two, as in vertically like this. Then I'll now fold again. So having folded vertically like this, then I now fold it just like front and back panel, and just like a bubu, just like a trendy bubu you see. And the next thing is that you take the length before you actually fold into these other two parts. It's expected, even before you fold, you take the length of your dress. It's a maxi dress, it's a maxi bubu. For myself, I'll be using something like 63 inches or thereabout. Then I'm going to use 1 inch for turning in. So this 60, that's the end of the tape. This is 64. So that means I'll be using 1 inch for turning in. Just like that. Then we come to, it's very easy, just in 2 minutes you'll be over, or max 5 minutes. So you now come here. What to do, I've just even checked everything out. What you do right now is just that you're going to determine your shoulder. The shoulder I'll be using is 8 inches. 8 inches, just like I've checked out. 8 inches. Then the neckline, the width, you see the neck width is just like a canoe neck. So I'm going to be using 6 inches for the neck width. Then I'm going to be using 3 inches depth. So you just connect. Like so. So this is the shoulder. As if then you now come to the end. This is just like a freestyle bubu. You come to the end, the extreme of this your fold. Remember, this front panel and back panel, everything together is folded together. So you come down by 12 inches. You drop this shoulder slope here by 12 inches. So 12 inches. So you now come down. Remember that this is actually our shoulder. Just do like a little slant like this, like you have it. Then you come just all the way. You keep coming down, just like you're doing your sleeve, down to this 12 inches point, like you have it. So we're gonna cut right now, and it's pretty easy. Just cut out. So I'll just cut. So you can see we have the front and the back just like so right now. So you start joining. By the time you open it, you're gonna have it this way. Can you see it? So I'm going to use bias binding to tape the neckline. Then I'm going to join from, I'll just start joining. Then by the time I'm joining, remember the sleeve is just going to be, the sleeve, I'll be using, like you saw on the style, I'll be using 11 inches for the sleeve. So I'll just come from this point of the neck. From this point, I'll just get my 11 inches. Then my round, my biceps, my round sleeve there is 12. So that means divided by 2, that will be 6. I'll leave 6 inches like this. I'll double stitch here, then come here, leave this space, double stitch, and just continue stitching like so, and you're done with your trendy Bubu style. Yeah. By the time I just stitched, just like I showed you on the table, I stitched from the neckline, then to that split point, and I created the sleeve opening, then I just stitch down, and it's as easy as A and B and C. And with this, we've come to the end of today's tutorial. If this tutorial has been helpful to you, don't forget to give it a what? Thumbs up, like, and share our videos. And you know what? Our online classes are still very much on the Search Fashion School, www.searchfashionschool.com, and grab the Valentine's offer. It's still very much on while the offer lasts. And don't forget to order for my nice Ankara. See, that's what I'm doing now. Just very, very cheap. 1.5 and you get to Ankara. So till I come your way next time in my next video, don't forget to keep on smiling, and loving. It cures a lot of life's challenges. So see you. Love you. You might like to watch this or